Ikea right now. We just got here. We're getting
ice cream.
yeah, we gotta like get ice cream immediately when you come here. Do they have churros here? No, they don't. By the way, guys, Ikea, so cheap, so good. This is what you need, or this is what people come to Ikea for. $1. Yes. Ooh, these cookies are really good too. These little heart ones. I love these too. 나도. 내 것도? Oh, thanks. When we leave, let's get the cinnamon. Wait, oh, that's a six pack. Oh, their pizza here is really good too. It's only like
Maybe we can get it at the food.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's so cute. That's so cute. I'm gonna decorate my house.
Wow, this is really cute too. Hi, puppy. Hi. You should get the lens dirty. Okay.
This is the size. Is there a separate area?
Puppy area.
Oh, really? That's puppy.
Or small dogs. Guys, I'm late. I'm late to my friend's wedding because I was doing makeup for another friend's wedding. Oh my gosh, today was such a long day. I was up since 4:30 in the morning, and now it's 5 in the afternoon. I'm so late. This is the first wedding that Phil and I are, or this is the first wedding that I'm attending, that Phil and I are not going together. So, because Phil is at the other wedding and I'm going to my friend's wedding. Yeah, so I'm gonna be lonely. Oh man, I'm kinda hungry. I feel like every time I vlog, all I say is that I'm hungry. I didn't really have time to do my hair. So I clipped it up, like half clipped it up. Like half-ass clipped it up. By the way, guys, if you guys are wondering where my necklace is from, it's from Topshop. My dress is from Urban Outfitters, and this cardigan is also from Urban Outfitters. Yeah.
In accordance with the laws of our Commonwealth, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Alice and Fisher Bride.
Look at all the beers they have. It's like it goes around in the entire circle. They must have like hundreds of different types of beers on tap. Say hello, everyone. Oh my god!
You guys enjoy.
This rice is so good.
Just watch it.
Birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yay, thank you. That's so pretty.
It is really pretty.
Bill's big 30.
Age shouldn't.
Age is just a number.
Yeah, it's just a number. Hey everyone, share.
Hey, that sounded like what he sounds like during the weekly huddle. Yeah. Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
This is Bill Good here.
What's up with me? Hey.
My name is Scott.
Hi.
No.
Are you literally about to leave now, or are you leaving in like 30 minutes?
About to leave now, shutting down.
So I just kind of had a mini appointment with, well, for nutrition, because I'm lactose intolerant. It's not something I recently discovered. I kind of already knew that I was lactose intolerant. Basically, he told me to eliminate dairy and, you know, try to have a more like efficient diet. I just want to figure out what diet is best for me, like what my body likes, you know, what kind of food my body likes, and what kind of food my body doesn't like, so I can just take that away, which is just basically in general better and good for my body. We are at Coastal Flats. It was Phil's birthday yesterday.
Wrong.
I mean, 2 days ago. He had to work, and he had like his football game and stuff like that, so we couldn't really celebrate. So we are celebrating today, and I'm taking him out on a full date. So first off, we're at the mall because, you know, I wanted to get him something nice that he actually can pick out and want. And now we're eating. How does it feel like being the age that you are? Not saying it out loud.
Get tired more.
You immediately notice a difference from the day yesterday and today, or after you turned the age that you are? Okay, good to know. Thumbs up. It's really loud in here, but it's Phil's birthday, and we're celebrating kind of late out here in DC. But this place is really good. Happy birthday! Phil's in pain. Ha 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 ha. So good.
그건 뭐야?
It's a video camera. Duke. What is that? What is that? Oh, you're teething. Oh.
봐봐, 아까 필리핀 봤더니 손가락 물게 대표잖아. 괜찮다니까. 기분이 얼마나
Monday. No, but seriously, like I was just too lazy to do my hair. I'm at the parking lot of my gym. I just got here. I'm going to do a quick workout and then I'm gonna go get a quick massage because the past couple weekends, for like, you know, my makeup work for weddings, I've been bending my back a lot, so my upper back's kind of like, I think there's a big knot. It's been kind of bothering me, so I'm gonna try to relieve that through the massage.
You're sorry, you said yourself and we believe you.